Velocity Evo Reach by Hoover is a bagless upright vacuum that has multi-cyclonic technology and incredible cleaning reach of up to 17 meters. The high separation efficiency means that less filter maintenance is required, effectively separating dust and dirt particles from the air path and minimizing clogging in the filters helps you to clean your house quicker and more thoroughly every single time. Velocity Evo Reach is ideal for any homes with pets. The Pets Turbo brush helps to give you a deep clean to your carpets, sofas and curtains. Simply attached to the end of the extension tube, and the suction causes the bristles to rotate and to penetrate deeply into your stairs or soft furnishings, releasing any stubborn embedded hairs. Velocity Evo Reach has incredible long reach with a 12-meter cord and a 4.5-meter stretch hose, and when used with the tools you can achieve a total cleaning reach of up to 17 meters, allowing you to clean several rooms of your homes without having to stop and to unplug. You can also clean a typical 13-step staircase from top to bottom. Velocity Evo delivers our best ever performance with A+ energy, A-class dust pickup and A-rated low emissions, all brought to you by Hoover.